In today's video, you are going to learn the...
So you came back empty-handed again?
I tried everywhere today. Nobody is hiring.
A whole man, depending on my daughter to feed him. My friends laugh at me because my husband is useless.
I'm trying my best.
Your best cannot cook soup. You can't stay here eating free food anymore. Everybody should see who my daughter married. Woo!
Everything I did here was actually with free AI. I did not use Grok, I did not use free AI. All you need to do is just to stay with me from very start to the end, because I'm going to be explaining to you the best way you can actually do what to create a short, full dramatic dialogue movies using AI. And the crazy part of it is this, I'm not going to lie, the AI I used on this particular video is a free AI tool, and I'm still going to let you know the AI and how to actually use this AI. The first thing you will do whenever you want to create your story is to come to your ChatGPT. So coming to your ChatGPT, I will just tell ChatGPT a random prompt by tapping on this mic icon. ChatGPT, I just want you to generate a short moral lesson, real life modern African folktale story. It must be dialogue. Yes, just short. It must be dialogue. Then this story should be divided into just 3 scenes. Now, as you can see, ChatGPT has already done the work for me. So these are the main 3 characters: Chinedu, Amaka, and Mama Ngozi. Then after that, this is my scene. This is my scene stuff and its dialogue. Look at what it says. Chinedu, Amaka, you will soon see, I will become the richest man in this village. Everyone will come to me for help. Amaka was like, Chinedu, having dreams is good, but you must work hard to achieve them. Words alone cannot build the success. You see that? So this is scene 1. 3 of them are actually here. You see that? So after you've gotten this stuff, this thing is very, very easy. The next thing you need to do is actually to come over to this place and then tell ChatGPT to do what? Now I want you to generate scene prompts. Now I want you to generate scene prompt for each of the scenes in this particular story, and please list the characters and generate their character description. Don't forget, hyper realistic characters is all I need. Now you are going to send this stuff here. Boom, definitely it's going to give you a very sweet something. Now this is Chinedu. You see that? This is Amaka. Then here is Mama Ngozi. Now this is the scene prompt for each of the scenes here. Amazing. So after you've gotten this stuff, you are almost done with your story. You understand? So the next step now you need to do is just to generate your images. Now to generate your images, you have to copy this prompt here, because this is your actors. Now this is how your actors looks like in your story. So when you copy this, you go to your flow AI. Very, very important, guys. Once you open your flow, this is how your flow will look like. So the next thing you need to do is to start pasting the prompt you copied. So this is the prompt I copied. Now once you paste your prompt, always click on this place and select and do your settings here. Don't forget, I am doing short story, and that is why I am selecting 9:16. But if you are doing long form video for YouTube, always use 16:9. Then after that, you select the image style you want to use. So let me use this Nano Banana 2 Light. So after I've selected that, then I'm going to click on this arrow to generate my image, which is what is happening here. So I'm going back to my ChatGPT now to generate the second image character, which is Amaka. So I'm going to long press on this prompt of Amaka. You see that? And then copy Amaka. Long press and then copy Amaka prompt, which is this. And then I'm coming back to this place to paste Amaka and then send. Now this is Chinedu. Are you seeing it? This is the Chinedu. Then Amaka image is coming up. Now I'm coming back to this place now to copy the third person, which is who? Mama Ngozi, because we only have 3 characters here. So this is Mama Ngozi on 2. Then you copy, you come back here and you paste this stuff here. Now you paste this stuff here, and then our 3 image characters is ready. Now these are the images I will use all through this story. Do you understand? So after you've gotten your image character, the next step, which is the 3rd step, you must follow this stuff sequentially as I am doing it now, for you to achieve this result smoothly with no issues. So after you've gotten your image characters, the next thing you need to do now is to create your scene prompt. That's your scene images, because it's that scene images now that you now be using for your animation. You can't use your characters for animation because where they are now does not or will not suit the scenes of your story. Do you understand? So that is why it's very, very important to generate your image scenes. Now, what scene simply means is scene stands as location where that particular story is actually happening. Do you understand? So that is the work of that scene there. So this is the scene now. This is the location for scene 1. So I'm going to long press this and then copy this stuff. Now when you copy, the next thing you need to do is to go through this scene to see the characters that are actually included in this scene. Now if you look at this character, I've seen Chinedu. This is Chinedu here. I've seen Amaka. Amaka is here, and I've seen Mama Ngozi. So what this stuff simply means is the 3 characters are here. So I'm going to use the 3 characters to generate this scene prompt. So what you need to do now is to come back to your flow, which is this. Now coming back to this flow, now the very first thing you need to do is to select the 3 characters that is involved. This is Mama Ngozi, this is Amaka, and then this is the Chinedu. So after you've selected, now you will now paste your prompt for the scene. Now when you send this your prompt, boom, definitely you are going to get your scene prompt. And take note of the face consistency. The face must remain consistent. That is why I love this method the most. Now let me go back to my scene 2. So coming here, this is my scene 2. Now I'm going to copy the scene 2 as well. Now don't forget, cross-check the scene 2 to know the characters that are actually here. Now on this scene 2, I am seeing Mama Ngozi here. Okay. Then who again? I am seeing Amaka. Then this is Chinedu. So that means 3 of them are still here again. So what you need to do is to go back here. Can you see? Can you see the 3 of them are here now? Now this is when you can now do your dialogue. It will now make sense. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. Good. Now let me do my scene 2. Since I have 3 characters, the 3 characters in the scene 2, then I'm still going to do the same thing. Long press on the Mama Ngozi, add to prompt. Long press on Amaka, add to prompt. Long press on Chinedu to add to prompt, and then you paste your scene 2 prompt, which is this, and then you send this. Now since scene 2 is generated, let's do scene 3, and I will now show you guys how to make those images to talk for free without paying that. Now this is scene 3 here. Now you are going to copy this scene 3, but before that, analyze Chinedu, Mama Ngozi, and then this is Amaka. The 3 of them are still here again. Okay, so then let's copy again. Now you copy this. So once you've copied, go back to your flow again and do the same thing. Now can you see? We are still having the same face consistency. The same face consistency is still like happening. So I'm still going to long press again. This is for scene 3 now. Then, sorry. So this is for Chinedu. Add, and then let's bring Mama Ngozi. And then add. Now you paste your prompt, which is this, and then you hit on your generate. So once the stuff is done generating, you are almost done. Now the third part is converting your images into a full dialogue body movement movie. Now to do that, look at what you need to do. So first you need to download these images. You long press on the image and you click on your download to download this image. Now most people might be finding it difficult to download the second image. Look at what you will do. When you click and double click on download again, you will not be able to download this image. So what you need to do is, when you long press on this image, you tap on share. Are you seeing this share button here? Tap on this share button twice. You see that? So when you tap on this share button twice, then something like this will come up. So all you need to do now is to long press on this image. Now when you long press on the image, then you will see your download button, and then you download your image from here. Long press, and then this is your download button. You download the image from here. Can you see? The image is downloading, and soon it will be downloaded. Now it's downloaded. Now let's do the third one. You long press again, double tap on your share button, long press on the image, and then you click on your download button. Now I have all my images ready. The next thing is making the images to talk. Stay tuned, guys. And the tool I'm going to use is actually a free one. Now for us to do our dialogue, look at what you need to do. So first you need to copy this your dialogue script here. So when you copy your dialogue script, which is this, Are you seeing what I'm doing? So when you copy, you need to do some editing on this dialogue script. So you have to go to your notes, or let me go to my WhatsApp. So this is me on WhatsApp. I'm going to open this. Now I'm going to paste this stuff here. Now when you are pasting this stuff here, now you have to indicate Chinedu is the guy. Now this will help the guy said. This will help this will help AI to know who Chinedu is. Do you understand? Then Amaka is the young lady. So here will be Amaka, the young lady. Are you seeing what I'm doing? This is Amaka, the young lady, replied. Then here is Mama Ngozi. Now Mama Ngozi is what? The old woman said. You see that? So once you have this now you can now come here and include all characters should speak with. All characters must speak in Nigeria English speaking accent. Then after that, now you copy this. You see that you copy. So after you've copied, now you head over to your YouTube. So I'm using YouTube for this tutorial. Now once you open your YouTube, this is how this stuff will look like. Now make sure you tap on this page that has this plus sign here. Now when you tap on this plus sign, then something like this is going to come up for you. You select your shot, which is this here. Now when you select your shot, then you are having this. So all you need to do basically is just to tap on this place. You see that? So when you tap on this place, then it's going to redirect you to this part. So once you are here, all you need to do is just to tap on this plus sign here. Now tap on the plus sign, you select the image you want to make talk. Do you understand? So when you click now, you tap on this page that says add image. You click on add image. Now here you are selecting the image you want to use. So this is the first image I'm going to use. Now I'll be like, please use my image reference. When generating my video. So let me just use it when generating my video. Full stop. Then after that, I'm now going to paste this stuff. So this is the one I edited. Do you understand? When generating my video. Then I don't know if I can give space here. Okay, good. Then after this, now the next thing I'm to do now is to tap on this arrow here. Now when I tap on this arrow, then the video will start generating. Can you see it will start converting the image into video? Just stay with me from very start to the end to see how this stuff will actually turn out to be, guys. Now as you can see, our video is ready. Now let me play this video for you guys to see, guys. Now guys, just take a look at this video now and tell me what you think about it. This video has actually started. Let me play it for you
and help everyone.
Dreams are good, but hard work makes them real. My son, actions speak louder than promises.
I will become the richest man here and help everyone.
Dreams are good, but hard work makes them real. My son, actions speak louder than promises.
Did you see that? So once you have this now, what again are you waiting for? And this particular AI is actually free. So I don't know why people are actually finding it difficult now to create short Nigerian movie. Now let me do. Now once I am here, I'm going to change the image. So I'm going to bring another image. This was the first one I used, so I'm going to use this one as my second image. Now once I am using this as my second image, I still want to do the same thing for you guys to see, or better still, no, let me go back to my chat GPT and then copy my sim 2. So sim 2, Mama Ngozi, Chinedu, my farm fence is still broken. Chinedu, I am sorry ma, I delayed too long. Maka, a true person keeps their promises. Okay, so I'm going to copy this. You see that? Then I'm going to copy this and do the same thing again. Go back to that place. So once here, I'm going to repeat I'm going to import this stuff here. That's what my dialogue will actually say for me. Do you understand? So here I'm going to paste this. Now don't forget, you must indicate Mama Ngozi, the old woman. said. Then Chinedu, the guy, replied. Did you see that? Then now this is Amaka, the young girl. The young girl said. Now then after this, okay, then I will now be like, face must be consistent. Then after you have this stuff, now I'm going to hit on this place that says, that has this arrow again. Then let's see the second image or the second video, how the second video will actually turn out to be, guys. Now as you can see, the second video clip is generated. Just pay attention and see what this stuff
My farm fence is still broken.
I am sorry, Mama. I delayed too long.
A true person keeps their promises.
Did you see
Chinedu,
how this stuff
my farm
actually
fence is...
So now to download this stuff, all you need to do is just to tap on this place. Now when you tap on this place, you have this, you click on your download, and then this will be saved to your device. You see that this will be saved to your device. So this is just the best way you can actually generate your short story video now using YouTube AI, this thing. Now for those that do not know how to save, please make sure you tap on this place. When you tap on it, look at save to device, then you tap on that save to device, and this will be saved to your device. Thank you, and catch you guys on another tutorial video, and bye for now, guys.